Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devin. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And today's lip combo of the day, it looks like it needs to be a little retouched, but I am using my Beauty Vault lip liner in Cozy Kyra. It is a really nice mauve nude lip liner. Over top, I'm using a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury Cover Star lipstick, which is a really pretty nude. And then over top of that, I am using my Edam lip balm, and this one is in Chateau Rose. So yeah, I'm gonna apply a little bit more balm to my lips because my gloss kind of went away because I was just drinking something. But yeah, you guys, that is my lip combo of the day. In today's video, you guys, I am super excited because I have a true unboxing for you guys for a new bag that I got from Koi Bags. I think that's how it's pronounced. I have worked with them before and I have always had a really good experience with them, so I was so excited to reach out to them and purchase a new bag from them. So yeah, you guys, if you are interested and want to see my new unboxing or my new summer baby, then just keep watching. So I know this type of video is not for everyone. I've always said that, you know, at one point I was one of those people that was like, ew, why would you want a knockout? But baby, the way the economy is set up, please, you will with your coin. You are open to, you know, spending money however you want to spend it. Will I go back into the stores and buy things? Yes, I absolutely will. I still have. Will it be right now? No, it won't. So if I can get something for a more affordable price and still have that look, I'm gonna do it currently, okay? And so we have a true unboxing, y'all. This bag, it actually, I thought it was supposed to come tomorrow, but it came today and I'm so excited. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it open so I can show y'all how it kind of comes, okay? Okay, now that I've got all the paper off, we're gonna go ahead and open up the box. Okay, I almost did cut it, but okay, this is how it comes, a box inside of a box. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. So, finally, this is the bag. Well, this is the box, I'm sorry. So this is the box, very cute. It's a little bright, but it could be the sun. But yeah, so it is a flip open box. So we're gonna open her. Okay, inside it comes bag in a bag. It comes with a bag if you are interested in that, like if you're gifting it to someone, with a little paper and all of that. I don't be into any of that, but here she is. So I'm gonna take her out of here. Doesn't have any weird smell, which y'all know I've had a few companies where it smells a little weird. Okay, so this is the dust bag. Is it my favorite dust bag ever? No, but who cares? It's literally going in the closet. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Because I already have a bag similar to this. Ooh, but not this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Y'all, okay, let me take this tape and stuff off and then I'll be right back. You guys, look at her in all her glory. She is gorgeous in person. Oh my god, like, okay, so I got the Louis Vuitton, I guess this is like a cosmetic case, right? This is not the mini one, I don't think. I think it's the small. I'm not even sure, honestly. Smaller than this, but it's fine. It's still a smaller bag and I still really love it. So I love the pink trimming. I've always wanted this bag. I still want this bag, but I mean, am I gonna go in the store and pay what, $1,500 for it currently? Currently I am not, okay? So this is going to do everything that I want it to do. there's this thing about people going crazy about saying like, this is not a bag, it's a cosmetic case and people shouldn't be wearing it like that, blah blah blah. Girl, wear your bags however you want to wear them. Now I love this one, and I picked this one because it has a silver trim. The actual bag does come with a silver trim versus gold, and I'm really a silver girl, okay? So I prefer bags with silver, but there's not a lot of bags that I have that have silver. So yeah, it does still have the little tape on here. Y'all, my best friend's gonna be so jealous because she wanted this one so bad. Open it up, and it has the pink interior. Okay, it has some little stuff, has some stuffing. Okay, and this is what she looks like inside. You guys, she is so pretty. Oh my god, like so pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I would put in my bag or whatever. So this is my current bag that I'm carrying. I've done a video on this a long time ago. Did I get this from them? No, I don't think I did. I got this video, I did a video on this one a long time ago. This is my Prada re-edition, whatever. And I just have some stuff on here. So I don't know that we want to put all of this on the Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna take this one off and just, no, this is not gonna work on here. So no, we're just gonna take a hand sanitizer and we'll put her in here. So let's take out a few things. Okay, so I always keep Kleenex in here. Inside of my Kleenex, I also have some toilet seat covers. I have one side with Kleenex, one side with toilet seat covers, also an extra penny liners. I also have some toothpicks in here. I need to give me a little toothpick case, but whatever. We're gonna put this in here. We can't go anywhere without our wallet. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here, and she's the real deal. Also have my card case in here. This is so old and beat up, y'all. I need to get a new one. But this has like all of my coupons, gift cards, just all of the things that, you know, I have that in here. Right, then we have the Crest Scope. This is like a little mint spray. I don't love the brand Crest, but I have this because I don't have any gum currently. We have a hand lotion. We also have, I used to have so many lip glosses in here. This is my Summer Fridays. We'll just throw that in here. I'm gonna just throw my lip combo in here because I'm wearing her this weekend. And then we have a fragrance. This is the 7 Virtues Amber Vanilla. I really love that one. My coin purse in here because I keep all my coins in here all the time. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pop my hand sanitizer in it. Where did it go? Okay, so it's normally in this case. I'm probably gonna take it out this case. Pop that in here. And I still have so much room, y'all. Let's zip her up pretty. Okay. And there, that is what she looks like. She's going to be adorable. Like, yeah, I was contemplating getting one of these, like, you know, one of these, and it was either this one or it was like an all fuchsia one or all real one. I can't remember, but she's so pretty. It just screams summer, especially with this like a fuchsia. And then maybe in the future, if I, you know, do a little traveling, I'm hoping to travel next year, I can use this for an actual cosmetic bag too. So yeah, you guys, but that is it. I just wanted to share with you my brand new unboxing. I am so happy about this bag. Again, I have worked with Koi bags before. I will have all the information linked below if you guys want to check them out. Please use my link or my code if you do want to purchase something. Their stuff is very affordable. Also, the quality is top tier. Okay, like very good. Okay, if I can link any of the videos that I've done with this brand before, I will have them linked for you guys to check it out. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.